Today we're making triple cheese bagels. How do we put it in?
You put it into the big bowl.
But how?
Can you dump it in?
Wait, Mom, why do we need these?
Those are the spices that go in. Great job. Okay, now you're gonna add the spinach.
What spinach?
The bowl of green stuff. Yummy spinach. Okay, can you start mixing it together?
How? With a fork?
Yes.
Why?
Because we need to cream it together. Go. Okay, parsley. Okay, we're gonna give it a quick mix. Add our cheese.
Ah!
In the bowl. Can you put it in here? Okay, I think that's probably enough pepper. Okay, or a little bit more. Okay, stop on the pepper.
Good. Good. Ah! I'm definitely cute.
Thanks for watching our triple cheese spinach bagel. We hope you enjoy it like we do. Good?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.